Rumors are swirling that OpenAI will drop GPT 5.6 this week, promising Mythos-level performance at a fraction of the cost. If true, this upgrade could make AI agents way more efficient for long workflows, with faster reasoning, better coding, and lower operational costs. Codex is also expected to get a major boost, pushing autonomous software development even further. OpenAI is gearing up to drop a smartphone that could wipe out the whole app-based system as we know it. Their AI agent phone, packing dual AI processors and a custom MediaTek chip, aims for a seamless, always-aware user experience. With production pushed to 2027 and Apple scrambling to keep talent, this could flip the mobile OS game for good. Leaks suggest Apple will drop 9 new devices at WWDC 2026, all featuring Apple Intelligence upgrades. Expect a revamped Siri, new Macs with M5 chips, and the debut of Apple's first security camera. But supply chain issues could limit availability, especially for RAM and storage. NVIDIA just dropped the next-level DLSS 4.5 ray reconstruction, bringing sharper ray-traced visuals and smoother gameplay to over 1,000 RTX games and apps. This upgrade uses a transformer-based AI model for smarter denoising, deeper spatial awareness, and real-time performance boosts, making both gaming and creative workflows look insanely good. All GeForce RTX GPUs get this update in August, so get ready for a serious graphics flex. Every second you spend training Midjourney's new 21-second AI video model, the company keeps all the value while you get nothing back. Ruvi flips the script, paying contributors in Ruvi tokens and letting the community own and improve 20-plus AI models together. As more creators rotate out of closed platforms, the fight for ownership and fair rewards in AI just got real. Intel's Crescent Island GPU is packing up to 480 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory, blowing past NVIDIA Rubin and AMD MI450X in capacity. This new tri-xenon monophosphide-based accelerator targets AI inference, offering cost and power savings for data centers. It is set to launch in the second half of 2026. Google's latest Gemini 3.5 Flash just shattered expectations with a price that's 3 times higher than the previous model. The jump to $1.50 per million input tokens and $9 for output signals a major shift, as AI labs across the industry are raising prices and squeezing budgets. Meanwhile, DeepSeek is slashing costs, setting up a fierce battle over who controls the future of affordable AI. Forget what you know about on-device AI. Liquid AI's LFM2.5-8 BA1B just dropped with 8.3B parameters, but only 1.5B active per token. It runs a massive 128K context window, trained on 38T tokens, and decodes 253 tokens per second on consumer CPUs. Non-hallucination rate soared from 7.46 to 63.47, and it's open on Hugging Face with day one support for top frameworks. MiniMax M3 just dropped a bomb with claims of 15.6x faster decoding at a wild 1 million token context window. The new MSA architecture not only speeds up long context processing, but also brings native multimodal support, letting M3 handle text, images, and even video in one go. Open weights and API access are promised soon, but real-world benchmarks and pricing will decide if this model truly shakes up the coding and agentic AI scene. Imagine creating a full 720p video with stereo audio from just a single text prompt. No extra steps, no fuss. Baidu's Ernie team just dropped NAVA, the first open-source model to generate perfectly synced audio and video together, running 6.3 billion parameters and delivering results in about a minute on 8 GPUs. With Apache 2.0 licensing, NAVA supports dual-channel stereo, multi-speaker timbre, and language-guided camera moves, setting new SOTA benchmarks for audio-visual AI. Now, Super Grok and X Premium Plus users get full Grok Build CLI access, letting you run parallel agents and edit projects directly in your terminal. With aggressive pricing, XAI is gunning for OpenAI Codex and Claude Code in the agentic coding space. Project Polaris is shaking up the coding AI scene, built by Microsoft to power GitHub Copilot without OpenAI. This mixture of experts model beats GPT-4 Turbo on HumanEval and MBPP and excels in Rust and Haskell. Enterprises can now fine-tune Polaris with Turing Forge, and all Copilot users will migrate by August 2026, with a 3-month fallback to the old model.